Final broadcast primetime live same-day ratings for Wednesday, July 4, 2018. Wednesday's three original shows, the Macy's 4th of July Fireworks Spectacular on NBC and Big Brother, and Code Black on CBS, all held at their initial adults 18 to 49 ratings. The only change was a 0.1 downward adjustment for a repeat of the fireworks special at 10 p.m. Downward adjustments in adults 18 to 49 are in red. Time show adults 18 to 49 rating, share 8 p.m. Macy's 4th of July Fireworks Spectacular, NBC, 8 to 10 p.m. S1.2, 77.40 Young Sheldon, CBS, R0.5, 33.52 The Goldbergs, ABC, R0.4, 32.06 MasterChef, Fox, R0.4, 31.52 3rd Annual Howie Mandel Stand-Up Gala, The CW, 8 to 9:30 p.m. R0.1, 10.63 8:30 p.m. Young Sheldon, CBS, R0.5, 33.46 The Goldbergs, ABC, R0.4, 31.62 9 p.m. Big Brother, CBS, 0.9, 53.95 Gordon Ramsay's 24 Hours to Hell and Back, Fox, R0.4, 21.46 Modern Family, ABC, R0.4, 21.60 9:30 p.m. American Housewife, ABC, R0.4, 21.49 Whose Line Is It Anyway? The CW, R0.1, 10.47 10 p.m. Macy's 4th of July Fireworks Spectacular, NBC, R0.8, 44.52 Code Black, CBS, 0.6, 34.80 Shark Tank, ABC, R0.4, 21.67 Network Averages, NBC, CBS, ABC, Fox, CW Adults 18 to 49 rating, share 1.1, 6, 0.7, 304 half 0.4, 20, 1/1 Total viewers, millions, 6.60, 4.16, 1.85 1.53, 0.69 Definitions, rating, estimated percentage of the universe of TV households, or other specified group, tuned to a program in the average minute. Ratings are expressed as a percent. Fast affiliate ratings. These first national ratings are available at approximately 11 a.m. ET the day after telecast. The figures may include stations that did not air the entire network feed, as well as local news breaks or cutaways for local coverage or other programming. Fast affiliate ratings are not as useful for live programs and are likely to differ significantly from the final results, because the data reflect normal broadcast feed patterns, share of audience, the percent of households, or persons, using television who are tuned to a specific program, station or network in a specific area at a specific time. Time-shifted viewing. Program ratings for national sources are produced in 3 streams of data: live, live same-day and live 7-day. Time-shifted figures account for incremental viewing that takes place with DVRs. Live SD includes viewing during the same broadcast day as the original telecast, with a cutoff of 3 a.m. Local time when meters transmit daily viewing to Nielsen for processing. Live 7 ratings include viewing that takes place during the 7 days following a telecast. Source: The Nielsen Company.